Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fahri Adil Bahdara. My NPM is 211022034. I will here the read material entitled No Relief from Rent Inflation. The Federal Reserve rate hikes could add to the upward pressure on presidential list. If you are enter and you move last year, you're probably already paying more the shelter. If you didn't, you may the when your list comes up for renewal. The speed of outside residential rent increase from new list to exciting one has been a distinct pattern in place like the Atlanta and the Detroit metro areas, where rent rose in 2021 their faster pace the decades, according to Labor Department that propelled in the party by influx of new arrival fleeing higher cost cities in 2022. The pattern is set to become a nationwide phenomenon as landlords regain the bargaining power they lost in the early part of the pandemic, when unemployment surged and government enacted efficient bans. Rent of shelter in the biggest expense for the typical U.S. household and consequently the biggest component of the government official index of consumer price, marking up about 32% of them by weight inflation in the category topped 4% in 2021 after averaging 3.3% annually in the 5 years before the pandemic, and a many forecasters expect it to remain high throughout much is this year, even a price in other overhead categories such as autos and the other durable goods. Star moderate several private sector thoughts of rent inflation that saw double-digit growth nationally in 2021. Focus one price new realized with the Labor Department measure also account for the much larger category of exciting list being renewed. The trend might add to impacts at the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates to here inflation cure coal big fire. The recent rising mortgage costs could prevent some renters from becoming homeowners, putting additional pressure on the market. It's also the case that many of us driving in inflation are not immediately responsive. The monetary policy among them is household formation, which initially displayed during the COVID-19 recession but come growing background to after as employment rebound along with the economy. We never seen is much demand as we saw in 2021, and now we have a severe lack of availability and a low vacancy in the types in housing as well, and that really driving an inflation from the same side. The person the head economic impact in which provide the property management software for landlords that especially societies such as Ponic with large rate of shelter inflation rate last years of 10.1%, the highest among the major metros. The Labor Department according to Bloomberg calculation, but is yet to the reflect is some the country less and most expensive market has less than as 0.6% in the San Francisco area in 2020 and 1.2% is good New York City. U.S. Postal Service record suggests people over the past 2 years have been fleeing cities with a higher cost of living for relative more affordable ones, which help explain why the latter have already seen such, according to Paul William, a fellow the Jain Family Institute. The place with high inflation right now, the one significant the so really significant demand shock from the change of immigration trend. Omar Sharif, president of the risk firm Inflation Insight, says retail inflation hitting multi-decade highs of 5% or more later this year as an increase spread to exciting lists across the country. A pickup in building activity shown by something in 2023 helped bring the back down into the 3% to 4% range that prevailed before the pandemic. We are seeing substantial supply response in the some of the methods where we have see big again. He say it's just going to take some time. Housing start is December with the highest in the 9 months, led by groundbreaking for multi-family units. Complete projects are being rinsed out at an historical fast pace, according to the Joint Center for House Studies for Harvard. An annual report on the U.S. rental housing market published January 21. Rising incomes will have many hints cop up with the highest rate of wholly earning us 5.8% in 2021, almost the first pace in the early 11980. Yet the average obscure the very different experience the renters on the low and high ends of the income spectrum. Moratorium and on inflation put in place the early phase of the pandemic have begun to expire, and at this boost to help restaurant suffering lost income is running out. As a result, the US is saying eviction trending up pets much everywhere. Cycles Gesson, a project direct present eviction lab, there could be more content, especially in the metro, saying the biggest influx of residents. There is some percentage of eviction that we shall associate with turnover is lower income renters for higher income renters. Gesson say a lot of the sun be the mountain we is going to experience displacement they have dealt with before, because that Fed factors expect the central bank to soon kick off the most aggressive steering in interest rate increase in the decades in a bid to curb inflationary pressure, but this could prove counterproductive in taming retail inflation, in particular, according to Carl Ricardona, the chief industry economist at Bloomberg Intelligence. As the Fed triggers policy in the effort to cool inflation, shelter costs the likely to encounter in policy makes intention rising, and the new employed demand shelter and the higher interest rates slow construction and the discount home buying, we wrote in the January 26 report.